Besque Body Oil is a luxury body treatment that has been getting quite a bit of attention lately. Priced at around $60 for a 100 milliliter bottle, it's marketed as a premium blend designed to plump, tighten, firm, and deeply hydrate the skin. The brand positions it as something you can use on arms, thighs, tummy, or really all over, promising that with consistent use, skin will feel smoother, more supple, and even look more youthful. The benefits they highlight sound impressive: firmer skin, increased elasticity, a radiant glow, and long-lasting hydration. According to their claims, many users noticed results in about 8 weeks of use, with skin looking and feeling more toned. On the surface, it certainly sounds like a miracle in a bottle, but let's look closer at what's inside. This oil is made from 7 natural cold-pressed oils, including sweet almond, evening primrose, and rosehip, along with vitamin E and a few essential oils like geranium, lavender, and patchouli. Sweet almond oil is known for its ability to soften and hydrate by strengthening the skin's barrier. Evening primrose oil is rich in gamma-linoleic acid, which can help with elasticity and reducing inflammation. Rosehip oil is loaded with fatty acids and antioxidants that support skin repair and regeneration. The essential oils like geranium and patchouli add fragrance, but also bring some benefits, from calming irritation to supporting collagen production. Vitamin E, meanwhile, provides antioxidant protection that helps keep skin looking healthy and shielded from stressors. Put together, the formula makes sense for hydration and skin nourishment, even if the tightening effects may be more modest than dramatic. Looking at what users say, a lot of people praise how quickly the oil absorbs and how soft, smooth, and glowing their skin feels after regular use. Some even claim their thighs and arms look firmer after a few weeks, and they like the ritual of applying something that feels indulgent. On the flip side, a couple of red flags come up. Some reviewers mentioned the scent being quite strong, which might not suit everyone, and a few felt the results didn't live up to the hype even after finishing a whole bottle. Others pointed out the price tag is steep compared to simpler oils that can deliver similar hydration. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a luxurious oil that hydrates well, leaves skin silky, and adds that pampered spa-like touch to your routine, Besque Body Oil delivers. But if your main goal is dramatic firming or lifting, the science says results will likely be more modest. In the end, it's less about magic and more about indulgence. Worth it if you value the experience and self-care, but maybe not essential if you're just after basic hydration.